Day 14. Bulgarian Cuisine Breakfast, Banitsa, cheese pastry. Ingredients: 1 package phyllo dough, thawed 2 cups feta cheese, crumbled 1 cup plain yogurt, 4 large eggs, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix the crumbled feta cheese, plain yogurt, eggs, and baking soda until well combined. Brush a baking dish with melted butter. Layer half of the phyllo dough, brushing each sheet with butter. Spread a layer of the cheese mixture. Repeat layers until all the cheese mixture and phyllo are used, ending with a layer of phyllo. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until golden brown. Let cool slightly before serving. Mekitsi, fried dough. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 cup yogurt, 1/4 cup milk, vegetable oil for frying, powdered sugar for dusting, honey for serving instructions. In a bowl, mix the flour, salt, sugar, and baking powder. Add the yogurt and milk and mix until a soft dough forms. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. Heat vegetable oil in a deep pan on the griddle. Roll out the dough on a floured surface and cut into circles. Fry the dough circles until golden brown on both sides. Remove and drain on paper towels. Serve warm, dusted with powdered sugar and drizzled with honey. Lunch shopska salad. Ingredients: 4 large tomatoes, diced 1 cucumber, diced 1 bell pepper, diced 1 small red onion, finely chopped 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley chopped for garnish instructions. In a large bowl, combine the diced tomatoes, cucumber, bell pepper, and red onion. Drizzle with olive oil and red wine vinegar. Season with salt and pepper and toss to combine. Top with crumbled feta cheese and garnish with chopped parsley. Serve immediately. Tarator cold cucumber soup. Ingredients: 2 cups plain, yogurt, 1 cucumber, finely chopped, 2 cloves, garlic, minced 2 tablespoons, chopped fresh dill, 1/4 cup walnuts, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, water as needed. Instructions: in a bowl, whisk the yogurt until smooth. Add the chopped cucumber, minced garlic, chopped dill, chopped walnuts, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Add water to reach your desired consistency. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. Serve cold. Dinner kavarma, pork stew. Ingredients: 1 pound pork shoulder, cut into cubes, 2 large onions, slice 2 bell peppers, slice 2 tomatoes, chop 2 cloves garlic, minced 1/4 cup red wine, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons. Vegetable oil instructions. Preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. Heat the vegetable oil in a large pot on the griddle. Add the pork cubes and cook until browned. Remove and set aside. In the same pot, add the sliced onions, bell peppers, and minced garlic. Cook until softened. Return the pork to the pot and add the chopped tomatoes, red wine, paprika, dried thyme, salt, and pepper. Stir to combine. Cover and simmer for 45 to 50 minutes until the pork is tender. Serve hot. Stuffed peppers. Ingredients: 4 large bell peppers, 1/2 pound ground beef or pork, 1/2 cup cooked rice, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves, garlic minced, 1 large tomato, chopped 1 teaspoon, paprika, salt, and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Cut the tops off the bell peppers and remove the seeds. Set aside. Preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. In a skillet, heat the vegetable oil. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic and cook until softened. Add the ground meat and cook until brown. Stir in the cooked rice, chopped tomato, paprika, salt, and pepper. Stuff the bell peppers with the meat mixture and place them in a baking dish. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until the peppers are tender. Serve hot. Dessert: baklava. Ingredients: 1 package phyllo dough, thawed 2 cups chopped walnuts, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 cup butter, melted 1 cup honey, 1/2 cup water, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix the chopped walnuts and ground cinnamon. Brush a 9 by 13-inch baking dish with melted butter. Layer half of the phyllo dough, brushing each sheet with butter. Spread a thin layer of the walnut mixture. Repeat layers until all the nuts and phyllo are used, ending with a layer of phyllo. Cut into diamond shapes. Bake in the preheated oven until golden brown and crisp, about 50 minutes. In a saucepan, combine honey, water, sugar, and vanilla extract. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Pour the hot syrup over the baklava. Let cool completely before serving. Kyselou mleko, Bulgarian yogurt with honey and nuts. Ingredients: 2 cups Bulgarian yogurt, 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts. Fresh berries optional. Instructions: divide the Bulgarian yogurt into 2 bowls. Drizzle each bowl with honey. Sprinkle with chopped walnuts. Top with fresh berries if desired. Serve immediately. Conclusion of Day 14. Today we indulged in the hearty and delicious flavors of Bulgarian cuisine with recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. From the cheesy banitsa to the sweet baklava, each dish brings the taste of Bulgaria to your table. I have a request for you. Write which national cuisines to include in the next book so that you receive not only useful, but also interesting information. Subscribe to our channel, give a like if you enjoyed the recipes, and don't forget to check the description to get the book on Amazon. In our book, The Complete Outdoor Gas Griddle Cookbook for Beginners, you'll find even more unique recipes, tips, and tricks to master your grilling skills. Sign up on our website and be the first to receive recipe previews for our next book. Let us know in the comments which world cuisines you'd like to see featured in upcoming videos and in our future print and ebooks. Wishing you tasty and unforgettable moments in the kitchen.